Okay, today's video is about putting a bigger piston in your B-bomb. We've had some customers get bigger pistons and then they forget to open up the squish on the combustion chamber, and then they slam the piston into the head on the edge, and then they squeeze off the ringland, and then they lose compression. So today we're going to talk about how important that is. And so you can see the difference here. Here's a standard small, I don't know, this thing's probably what? Oh, this is actually a 56. Stock is 55. And we're going to put this monster in there today. And it's a 58 millimeter. We've got about 6 more sizes beyond that. And so we've already made it so that the piston, I've already bored and honed this thing. And now our next step will be to take, as you see, I dicom the cylinder head, so you can kind of get an idea. And then we're going to flip it over, which I probably can't do one-handed, but I'm going to, let me drop this guy's head off this bench. Oh, my head. Anyway, let's see if we can get inside here. Anyway, you can see I've dicomed the inside, and then I'm going to take a scribe, and then I'm going to come along the edge from the back side. I'm going to come from the inside. I'm sorry about that. And scribe it, and then I'm going to put it up on the lathe over here, and then open up the squish band just a teensy bit, not much. We're going from 56 to 58. So, but you still have to do this on pretty much any time you do an oversized piston in these things. So, same thing with the small bore, Yamaha going to a big bore. Any of the motors that you go from small to big, you got to do it. That's it. That's the video.